Hello guys. Hello guys. Here in lecture 8 we are going to discuss the operator. Operator is the basic and very important for programming language because it provides the facility to how a logic build up and make any program with the help of this following operator. It is the symbol used to perform the calculation. Suppose that if you want to add two numbers 5 plus 4 equal to 9. What that means? Plus sign indicates the operation in which we can add up two numbers. That is the basic concept of it is the symbol to perform the calculation. An operator is a symbol which perform mathematical and logical calculation operator are used to build up any expression. In other word, we can also say that operator is the performance between the mathematical and logical calculation operator to use to build up any operation. Suppose that example a plus b multiplication c. Here ABC indicates the operand but plus and into sign is the operator. Suppose that A star B plus C. Here A, B or C is known as operands, but star and plus is known as operator. The basic concept the operator is the mathematical and logical operation in which perform the calculation form. According to the operands and according to the calculation, operator are divided into two parts. According to operands, operator is unary, binary, ternary. But according to calculation, operator is known as arithmetic, logical operator, relational operator, assignment operator, increment decrement operator, and bitwise. There are the six operators according to the basis of calculation. According to their operands, there are three types: unary, binary, ternary. But according to the calculation, it has six types: arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational, assignment operator, increment, decrement, and bitwise operator. This, according to operands, what do you understand by unary? Unary operator takes one value that is known as increment decrement. Suppose that if we use 5 plus plus, that means the answer is coming 6. Increment. Next further. In binary, there are two values. Add up two values to perform the following task. Suppose that a plus b. There are two values. That is known as binary. Suppose that a greater than b. There is known as two where we use two operands, two values. That is known as binary operator. Third is ternary. Ternary operator takes more than two values. Suppose that a plus b plus c plus d. There are more than two values. This is known as ternary operator. According to the calculation operators, the first type is arithmetic and mathematical operator. Arithmetic and mathematical operator perform the functions. Suppose that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. The last function I we can say modulus is known as also known as remainder. Remainder we can say that. Suppose that 4 divided 8, that is known as what? 0. That is 0 remainder here. In the same case we can indicate, suppose that 9, n barabar 9 and 2 barabar 2. The n is n percentage. Suppose that 2 divided by 9, what will become? 1 is remainder. 1 is remainder. Then in this case 1 is remainder. Modulus operator used to calculate remainder. Operator, logical operator are divided into three parts, mainly three parts, but in this case this is six part, but mainly three part: and operator, or operator, not operator. In Boolean algebraic function, 0 indicate the false statement and 1 indicate the true statement. We can also say that true and false statement. Then also we can say that 1 is high and 0 is low voltage. high voltage, low voltage, also known as AND operator. AND operator says that if the condition both the statement is true, then our function will be true, otherwise false. Here we see that both the statement is true, then our function is true. But in the same case, if any one is false, then our function is false. That is the basic concept of AND operator. After that, OR operator. OR operator only say that if any one function is true, then the function is true. Suppose that here we said both the function is false, then both the function is false. Otherwise, any one is true, then any one is true. That is the basic concept of OR operator. Not operator is that is reverse process. If the statement is true, then false. False is that is also known as inverter. Suppose that this is the inverter. If one output the zero is count. Understand? If we want to get performance, the AND operator is indicated by this. In the same way, OR operator logic gates is this. This is the AND OR operator logic. After that, relational operator. Relational operation give the relation between operator and operands. There are six relational operator available: less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to, equal to. These are the relational operators. Assignment operator. Assignment operator is they assign the value of another variable. Suppose that a बराबर 10, b बराबर 10. It's interchange the value of variable assignment from one value to another value. Let us consider the 6 increment decrement operator. This operator increase or decrease the value of them. Suppose that plus plus increase the value by 1. Suppose a बराबर 10, a plus plus means 11. Decrease, then the value is 1 decrease. If a बराबर 10, a minus 1, the value is called 9. Suppose that b बराबर 20. If b plus plus, then is called 21. If b बराबर 21, the b minus minus it give the values 20. There are the difference between increment and decrement operator. Let us consider two perform prefix increment and decrement. First operator used and then the operator. Operator is just before the operator. The operator is just before. This is the prefix, but post prefix is operator is after operands. Operands after. Operator is after operand. That is not the post prefix. Difference between prefix and post. Suppose that a बराबर 10, the b बराबर a plus plus. Suppose a बराबर 11, then b बराबर also 11. But a बराबर 10, b बराबर minus a. A बराबर 9, the b बराबर also a 9. But in the same case, if a बराबर 10 and b बराबर a plus plus, then a is 10 and b is 11. Increment of one thing. But in a बराबर 10 and b बराबर minus, a बराबर same 10 but b बराबर 9. This is the difference between operator from prefix and post prefix. For prefix says that if a बराबर 10 and if we use b बराबर a plus plus a, that is also increment the value of a and also increment the value of b. Suppose that a बराबर 10 and b बराबर minus minus a, then it also decrement the value of a and also decrement the value of b. But in the post fix increment and decrement, if b बराबर a plus, then always in changing in b format, not in a format. Let us consider the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is used to perform the calculation of binary data. It is the conversion of binary data 0 and 1. We can say that computer understand the only concept of 0 and 1 format. This is bitwise operator. We can always understand the 0 and 1. It accepts the decimal number to convert into binary and perform the calculation on binary data and return into decimal form. And bitwise operator simple concept, we see that 0 and 1. Any computer, suppose that we want to write 16. What computer says? Computer only You only learn this binary conversion. In any word, any computer always do the binary conversion. And there are the six operator. We can say that here. This is the OR operator. This is AND operator, and so on. This suppose that OR operator in the test if any one, then the statement is one. Otherwise, AND operator is both one, then this value is one. Bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator says that if it returns one as a return, then any one the bit is one. Suppose that x बराबर 13 x बराबर 11, first we convert into in binary form a 0 a 0 a 101. Suppose that we convert into same, and when we use our operator 111 both the statement is come into extent bitwise operator is follow the same. Not operator. Suppose that x बराबर 9 to it normally interchange 0110 XNOR operator. It gives the one when the bits are different, that is one bit, and second is x बराबर 10. Then it convert the 110 011 110 and 1. After the 2 3 lecture we can making the program related to this. After then expression, it is the combination of operator and operand that is used performed specific tasks within a program. There are two types of expression: operator needed and complicity needed. Suppose that arithmetic, logical, mixed operator. These are the operator needed expression. A complicity मतलब simply and block. C बराबर a plus 1 is the operand and plus is the operator. Expression is suppose that arithmetic expression. Expressing only arithmetically operator is called arithmetic. Suppose that plus, into, division. It is known as arithmetic expression. Relational operation. Relational expression is known the relation between operators. Suppose that a greater than b, b greater than, it is the relation between the expression. Logical expression. Logical expression is the logically expression that is useful of and or NAND get is that mixed expression is the combination of logical, relational, arithmetic more than one types of जैसे a बराबर b, a plus b बराबर 4, a plus b greater than less than equal to जो etc are the mix operator. Expression complexity. Simple expression. It is a collection of one or more expressions such that each statement line is independent of one another. It's called simple expression. Suppose that a बराबर b plus c, a d बराबर e plus a. What it's done? A complexity and technique. It collection of one or more expressions such that each statement line is independent. A block statement is the collection of one or more expressions that depend upon one another. A बराबर b plus c and b बराबर a plus c. Then consider precedency of operator. C provide different types and number of ways to perform the calculation. Each operator has its own weightage to perform calculation. It's called precedency of the operator. Precedency operator is applied the evaluate called the priority of the operator. It is called priority of the operator. Let us consider operator. Operator is known as, this is known sign is parenthesis, that is known as if left first, innermost, left to right. This is known as unary operator, plus minus, and the assignment operator. In next lecture, we are going to discuss about the data type. What do you mean by data type? Thank you.